Hello everyone, this is Professor Razia Sultana Sanadi. So next example for road estimate, we'll be moving on to the next example. So that is estimate the cost of earthwork for a portion of road for 400-meter length from the following data. Okay, so they have given the station. Okay, stations, they have given the distance in meters, RL of the ground. So formation width of the road is 10 meters, side slope is 2:1 in banking and 1.5:1 in cutting. Okay, it is RL of formation for the first chainage or the station is given, that is 52. Okay, and it is in downward gradient of 1 in 200 throughout. Okay, now the longitudinal section of the road and the type of cross section are given. Okay, they have given this longitudinal and the cross section of the road. Okay, so they have also mentioned here that the example can however be solved without the help of the L section and the cross section. Okay, so like in previous problem we had plotted longitudinal and the cross section. Okay, similarly we can do for this problem as well. So here is the longitudinal section and the cross section. So similarly, like the previous problem, you can draw a table here which will clearly show all the details. Okay, so I have done it at the last page, that is the example 2. Okay, they have given the stations. Okay, from 25 to 35. Then they have given the distances 1000, 1040, 1080. It means that there is an interval of 40 meters. Okay, each chainage is of 40 meters. Then RL of the ground is been given, and RL of formation for the first station is 52. Okay, they have mentioned that it is in a downward gradient of 1 in 200. So that means downward gradient of 1 in 200 up to 1400 meters. Okay, so that means for every 200 meter there is 1 meter drop since it's a downward gradient. So we need to calculate for every 40 meters. Okay, so the interval is of 40 meters, so we need to calculate for 40 meters. So it will be 1 by 200 into 40, that will be 0.2. Okay, so so we have got the drop as 0.2. So RL of formation is 52. We need to go on deducting since it is in downward gradient from the first station to the last station. We will be deducting 0.2 from 52 up till the last station. Okay, so 52 minus 0.2, it will be 51.8. 51.8 minus 0.2 will be 51.6. Then 51.6 minus 0.2, 51.4, similarly up till the 35th station. Okay, then calculating the depth will be RL of formation minus RL of ground. Okay, so depth is 52 minus 51 will be 1. Again similarly 51.8 minus 50.9, it will be 0.9. Similarly, okay, when we go on calculating, you can see up till 1200 meter you are getting positive values, and from 1240 you are getting negative values. So that means from station 25 to station 30 it's in banking, and since we are getting negative values here, from station 31 to station 35 it's in cutting. Okay, so now we have got this table. We can draw similarly the longitudinal section and a cross section of this by assuming suitable scale. Okay, so here it is the distance in meters. Okay, then the RL of ground, then the RL of formation, height of the bank, and then the depth of cutting. Next, this is the datum line, RL of the ground, and this is the formation. Okay, this is the cross section of the road. Now you see here the road passes Okay, the road passes from banking to cutting between the station 30, okay, between this station and this station, okay, that is from 1200 to 1240. Okay, at this station it passes from banking to cutting, so we need to calculate this distance as well. Okay, it meets at 0 point somewhere, so we need to calculate both the distances. Okay, so take this and distance as x. Okay, so I have done this calculation at the end. Okay, this is the distance where it is passing from meeting the 0th point. Okay, at 1200 the depth is 0.3 and at 1240 the depth is 0.4. Okay, assume this distance as x, and this distance will be x minus 40, since this entire distance is 40. So let me erase this. Okay, so you can see this distance is 40 meters. So this I'm taking as x, and this will be x minus 40. Green line represents x, and yellow line represents x minus 40. Okay, so calculating the value of x, it will be x by 0.3 is equal to 40 minus x by 0.4. Okay, again after substituting the values, we get the value of x as, okay, you can see it here. Okay, after substituting the values, we get the value of x as 17.14 meter, or say 17 meter. After calculating the value of x, we need to calculate the other side of distance, that is 40 minus x. So 40 minus 17, we get 23 meters. Next, again similarly, we need to plot the table. Okay, first is the stations. Similarly, next is the distances. Next is the height or depth, that is the difference of ground level and the formation level, you get as. Okay, so here you can see at 30th it passes from banking to cutting. Okay, so that depth, that is at after 1200, you have to consider 0 depth. Okay, so similarly, like the previous problem, you will be calculating the mean depth, that will be 1 plus 0.9 divided by 2 will be 0.95. Then again 0.9 plus 1.1 divided by 2, that will be 1. Next is 1.1 plus 0.6 divided by 2, that will be 0.85. Similarly, you will be calculating for all the stations. Next is the central area. Okay, the only change here is at the point where it passes from banking to cutting, that point you have to consider the depth as 0. Okay, then calculate the mean depth. Similarly, central area B into D, formation width is given, that is 10 meters, and mean depth is from this table. Then the area of the sides, that is S into D square. Okay, now here S is 2 for banking and 1.5 for 1:1.5 for cutting. So till here, okay, when it is in banking, you have to consider S as 2, and after that is 30th station, you have to consider S is equal to 1.5. Okay, then calculate the area of the sides. SD square. Then the total area, that is this column plus this column. Okay, then the distance is 40. Okay, now the distance is 40, but at the point where it passes from banking to cutting, you have to consider 40 and then the distance 17 and 23. Okay, so up till 17 it will be in banking, and from 23 it will be in cutting. Okay, so L will change here at this point. Then you have to calculate the quantity, that is BD plus SD square into L. Okay, that is this column into L. Okay, similarly from this column into L you get it in cutting. So finally after this you get the total quantity. Okay, after calculating the total quantity, you have to prepare an abstract of cost for earthwork in banking and earthwork in cutting, that is 1821 and 1384. Okay, 275 and 350 respectively. Calculate the cost, then add 3%, 2% for work charged establishment and contingencies. You get the grand total as 10350.68. Thank you everyone.